Picture this. You get two messages from a brand. One is a long block of plain text. The other is short, snappy, and comes with a carousel of images and clickable buttons. Which one are you more likely to engage with? Most of us would go with the second option, right? Well, that's exactly the kind of experience that's possible with WhatsApp. With inboxes more crowded than ever and customer attention shrinking, WhatsApp is quickly becoming one of the most effective ways for businesses to connect with customers. Before we go any further, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Okay, let's get into it. There are 3 big reasons why. First, WhatsApp gives you global reach at scale. It's the most popular mobile messaging app in the world, with 3 billion monthly users. With just one WhatsApp business account and phone number, you can reach subscribers in more than 180 countries. Second, WhatsApp is conversational by design. Every message feels more like a chat than a broadcast. Customers can ask questions or react in the moment, and brands can respond with a human touch or use automations to keep the conversation flowing. And third, WhatsApp supports rich media. We're talking images, videos, carousels, quick replies, and call to action buttons. These interactive elements make your messages more engaging and easier to act on. The numbers speak for themselves. WhatsApp messages have a whopping 98% open rate on average, and 66% of users say they've made a purchase after chatting with a brand on WhatsApp. So, how can your brand start leveraging WhatsApp? It's not here to replace your existing channels, but to complement them. Take Nani, a skincare brand launching a new CRM collection. They use WhatsApp to give VIPs early access, follow up with an email that tells the full product story, and send a short text reminder before the offer expires. WhatsApp creates exclusivity, email delivers depth, and text provides the final nudge, driving stronger results together than any channel alone. There's no denying that WhatsApp has become a must-have in today's marketing toolkit. Your customers are already on WhatsApp. The only question is, are you ready to meet them there? If you liked this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and head to the description for more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.